Okay, so yesterday people used pictures of their base 10 blocks to solve multiplication problems or to find the product of problems that had more than one digit, like 22 times 3 or 14 times 6. One of the numbers in the problem had at least two digits. Today we are going to use these rectangle array or area models to figure it out. So my problem right here I have is 14 times 4, because up on the top right here I have 14 across this way, and on the side, how many rows I have is 4. Well, 14 times 4, I can do this, you probably can too, but I'm going to show you a way using these pictures right here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break this into parts. I'm going to use what's called partial products. I'm going to find part of the product, or the answer of the multiplication problem. And when I have all of my parts figured out, I'm just going to add them together. You might find it a little easier. So first I'm going to make a rectangle. Instead of having 14, I'm going to make one that is 10. So I'm going to come right over here, right down here. And I'm going to make this, I'm going to make it like a light green, okay? And this new rectangle I have, there's 10 on this side, or 10 on the top, okay? It goes 10 across. And top to bottom, there's 4 different again. There's 4 right here. Then I have another rectangle over here. That rectangle, I'm going to make it maybe like a light blue. Okay. It is 4 on the top. Oops. 4 on the top and still 4 on the side. So 4 and 4. So I'm going to find the areas of each of these rectangles because they're parts of the total rectangle. They are partial products. So the first one is 4 times 10, or 10 times 4. And 4 times 10, pretty easy. Multiplying by 10s is always pretty easy, and that answer is 40. Then I'm going to find the answer. So the answer to the area of this rectangle is 40. Now I'm going to take this little rectangle right here. 4 times 4. 4 times 4. And 4 times 4, that's pretty easy. That's 16. You could count them up if you needed to, but we know the area of this rectangle is 16. So we're doing partial products. We have part of it and part of it. Now we have to add them together to figure out the area of this whole rectangle. Okay, so 40 plus 16 equals 56. So my product, 14 times 4 equals 56. I used partial products. I figured out this part and I figured out this part. I'm going to show you another one that's a little more complex. Oops. I'm going to erase all these off of here. Don't need them. Let me bring this down into view. There we go. Now, I have on this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I have 23 on the top. And I have 3 on the side. So this product that I'm trying to find is 23 times 3. Well, just like last time, I'm going to break it into smaller parts. I like multiplying by 10s. So the first one I'm going to do 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. I'll make it pink or light red. Then I'm going to do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll make that one, make it like a light purple. And then I have one more. And it is, we'll make it like a green again. Okay? So, I'm going to use a different color to figure out the size of each of these rectangles. Okay, because I'm doing the parts of it. So this first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have my 10. Oops, should have on the pen. I have 10 right there. Then over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 again. Then I have 1, 2, 3. And I have 3 on, all of my sides have 3. So a little 3 right here, and the 3 right here. So I want to find the area of this rectangle first. I have 10 and I have 3. That is 10 times 3. Then this rectangle right here, I have 10 and I have 3. So that's another 10 times 3. And the very last one is 3 times 3. Well, that's easy. 3 times 3. That's a square number. Okay? So 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 3, guess what? 30 again. And 3 times 3, that is 9. Okay, so I have all of these partial products. I found part of the answer of this 23 times 3. So now I'm going to add them all up. 30 plus 30 plus 9. 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. The answer is 69. So all of these together, 23 times 3 is 69.